Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Day Day, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. As you guys can see, for day 3 of our 7 days challenge with a $200 giveaway, I am decorating my living room. Yes, can you peep the rug, guys? If you're old to this channel, you're gonna know that this rug is a new piece and I am obsessed about it. It was gotten from Ross. This is one of those pieces that once I brought to this house, my husband was like, oh my goodness. One of the few items, because he's usually indifferent about everything, but this rug stood out for him and I am loving it. Towards the end of the video, I will show you guys around the details and the close-up of the rug. I am so excited to have you here. You know, without you, I am nothing on this platform. Thank you guys for the constant support. I really do appreciate you. If you are new to this channel, hello and welcome. On this channel, we do a lot of home interior decorations. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you, right? I love you. I do appreciate you. On this channel, we don't take life too seriously. Life is too short. Guys, this video has given me a lot of stress and I told myself, hey, life is too short to worry about stuff, right? So we just move. Let's move, guys, and just have fun. So if there's any piece in this living room that I've not talked about in the description box or I don't talk about at the end during the tour, please ask in the comment section. I will definitely link it on or tell you exactly where that piece is coming from. But this video is another collaboration with my beautiful sisters. This is day 3. As I said earlier, we are decorating our living room and showing you guys around our living room just what it looks like for this season. As for me, this is pretty much what I do almost year round. Even when I change things up, I always come back to my black, gold, and white. You guys know these are my go-to, right? So anyway, you guys tell me what your favorite piece in this living room is so far. And I really appreciate you watching and staying tuned for all 7 days. Please check out the description box for the details on the giveaway because we are giving out a $200. It could be a gift card, it could be from Zelle, however you want your gift.
Life is a winding road, no telling.
Thank you all so much for your beautiful comments in my previous videos. I really do appreciate you. And if you're from my sister's channels, thank you. Welcome home. Welcome to this family. I do appreciate you. Thank you guys and keep on watching.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange.